Not everybody can afford to purchase a high-end luxurious home, but it does not mean that you cannot make an otherwise plain-looking room decor into a classy elegance on a budget. You don't even have to buy select furniture pieces or expensive artworks because there are easy ways to make your home decor look classy without spending too much money. Here is how. One. Use light colors on the wall. Never underestimate the power of colors. To create an elegant, classy look, use light colors such as white or cream on the wall. Overusing bright, vibrant colors will only make a messy, expensive room. 2. Big painting. Wallpapers, especially ones with patterns or multiple colors, can be fuzzy and dizzying. Moreover, the patterns and its mix of colors can easily overshadow everything else in the room. Instead of using wallpapers for decoration, use a couple of oversized paintings or photographs and let them stand out. 3. Window treatments. Every home looks unfinished without window treatments. The good thing is that you have a myriad of choices of inexpensive yet beautiful draperies for the purpose. Do not go too cheap on window treatments, choose high-quality materials such as linen, silk, and cotton. Wooden blinds or bamboo shades are viable options as well. Light fixtures. Lighting is not only about keeping good visibility, but also decoration. Rather than relying on the standard ceiling lights, you can use light fixtures or chandeliers to accessorize the room. Flea markets and second-hand stores are great places to find classy-looking fixtures on a budget. Some accessories may require minor repairs, but they are not typically expensive. 5. Flowers all around. As simple as they may seem, flowers are sufficient to brighten up a dull room. Remember that colorful flowers make the better appearance against light hues, so bright wall colors also play an important role to give a complementing background. 6. Style bookcase. Just because it is called a bookcase, it does not mean all the storage spaces are only for books. To bring a little bit of high-end look to the room, remove some of the books and replace them with small accessories, for example sculptures, vintage alarm clock, or framed photographs. Seven. Mirrors on the wall. Besides artworks and photographs, mirrors bring the sense of upscale ornamentations, too. Hang an oversized mirror, or a couple or small ones, to get an instant dramatic, classy look. 8. Rug. A simple modestly colored rug serves two purposes at the same time. It gives an easy way to diffuse contrasting colors in a room and highlights the fact that you keep the room clean. 9. Pillows. A couch sprinkled with pillows creates the instant perception of comfort. If you choose the pillow colors carefully, they can make the room more vibrant even with minimalist design. 10. Housekeeping. Believe it or not, the most affordable way to make every room design and decor look classy is simple housekeeping. Get rid of those clusters and vacuum regularly to enjoy living in the healthy, comfortable upscale feel house.